Hello, my darlings. This is a unboxing of a subscription box service I like to do every one I receive, just so people can see what I get in this. This is called Girls Can exclamation mark crate. It's a box crate, like a monthly thing. So this particular the series, I guess you could say, highlights different women through history. So this one is Bertha Parker Pallan. Now each one comes with these little cards. It talks about, like the different projects you go, and then it has these things for grown-ups, different things to point out for the kids. So talking about build a can-do attitude, take healthy risks, talking about little sort of mini lessons in here. Which is really nice, things you can sit down and talk to your kids about. And a lot of them have to do with like historical events as well. So it's really nice for anybody. I think it'd be really nice if you're homeschooling, that sort of thing. So, and my girls really do. We get like the double pack, so there's like 2 sets of each craft. So both my girls can do it. But they really enjoy putting the things together as well. So there's that first part, and then you get these little booklets. And these are really nice. It'll have the history of the person, and usually it'll come with actual historical photos as well, which is really nice. And then it'll have different projects in the books. Little activities along with the projects. A lot of times they'll have an at-home project. Just like look at this, life on Earth. So this is about history. Just really nice. Just such a nice little bundle of little activities you can do in the book, like word searches, connect the dots, I Spy, and then the actual craft projects too. And everything that you need for it comes in the box. So that gives you an idea of that. These are the different projects. So I think these are really nice. And then, so this is the different things that are coming here. So I'm not sure, because I just opened this. So, oh, these are neat. Look at this. Oh, that's cool. So she is an archaeologist. Let's look at what you do with that. It looks like you're doing like maybe basket weaving. Oh, that's what that thing is. It's like basket weaving. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Neat. And scrape away, sweep away extra sand. Okay, so you're making like a dig site. You put this in here. And it, also like how it tells you how long it'll take and how messy it'll be. Because sometimes you're like, oh, I don't want to get into it right now. Oh, that's interesting. Scrape away the dirt. There's dirt? I don't know. Maybe you're, maybe we're putting dirt on it? I don't know. That's interesting. Does it say what you're supposed to be doing? Well, that sounds exciting. Place your dig site. Great. Dust and debris. And then you're ready to begin to scrape away the dirt and sand with your scraper and sweep away extra sand with the brush. Huh, okay. Well, I guess you just scrape at that. Doesn't seem like that's what you'd scrape at. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm sure I'll figure it out when I'm sitting down and doing it. And then that's the wrap. And then you get these pins as well. You get, when you first sign up, you get these bags, these like tote bags, and then they have a place where you can put each pin. And then you collect them as you get the boxes. And you can do like a subscription where it's monthly. You can order a one-off to see if you like it. And it always has this as like packing material, which is nice because you can use this in different things like art projects or even Easter baskets. So, let's see. Tying capsule. Oh, that's neat. The idea of a tying capsule. And the different little brushes. So that gives you an idea of what to expect in these boxes eventually. I would like to do like a review of the actual crafts. Most of the fun of the craft is actually doing it. Some of the crafts don't work as well as what you would imagine, but it's really mostly about sitting down and talking about it. Some of them work really well. Some of them, and we're doing fingerprint one, and it just didn't come out real dark, but it was, she learned a lot during about fingerprints. She enjoyed doing it, so it's variable on how well they work, but it's always valuable with what we can talk about. So any questions about these, just let me know. Have a great day.